Last week I had my medical checkup, and in that I got 2 scores. One EAT score, it was so elevated. Another one was coronary artery calcium score, CAC. That was 0. It means, what is these 2 tests? We have to understand that. CAC, coronary artery calcium score, shows the past. It shows the present danger. EAT, epicardial adipose tissue. CAC score measures calcified plaque, indicates past disease. EAT, epicardial adipose tissue, measures active inflammation, indicates current risk. CAC plus EAT is equal to complete risk profile. By the grace of God, my CAC was normal, EAT is elevated. So I am risky, but I have a lot of hope to reduce it. CAC is scars, EAT is ongoing fire.